when this engine before burning, this is we put this have fire extinguisher coming. So before it's not working, the engine not working, no cranking. Now we do our timing here, your timing, and engine tune up. That is our job now. And then also this one, this control, this is control valve. Also, we have to remove this one and bring to the city to make change the kit. Too much leaking inside, see here, that's leaking too much. So I'm going to remove now and bring to the city, and maybe next week I'm going to fix this one, bring it here. Today no, we cannot finish this today because we have to buy this spare parts yet. We have to buy the